These are the Pro Taper tie downs. I'm using them with a dirt bike carrier.
Do this.
Mm-hmm.
Press this. That releases the tension.
Mm-hmm.
Undo this. Take this. You're done.
Cool. Okay.
All right.
Show me
All
how
you
to...
gotta do is put the carabiner on and put this on. You don't need two people anymore.
Cool.
Make sure to loop this around
Wait,
and just
wait.
tighten up. That's it.
Okay.
That's it. That's all you do. And we were way overthinking it.
Okay.
And then when you're getting ready to hit the road, kind of fold this up so it doesn't drag the ground. And Velcro, it's got Velcro on it.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta go the other way, go the other way.
Okay.
And there you go. You're ready to go.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Okay.
How we put those bungees on it.
Okay, so prior to using these, I had been using ratchet straps. It was very difficult to transport my Aventure, but this has made it so much easier. And since he helped me put them on Sunday, I have taken it off, put it on several times by myself on my RV trip. So I am just so grateful. This makes traveling with the Aventon Adventure much simpler. Y'all have a good evening. Thanks for checking in. Bye-bye.